This will be the setup process for the SwitchBot bot. A little redundant name, but that's what it is. First things first, you're going to open up your user manual and you're going to download the SwitchBot app from either the Apple or Google Play Store. Once you do that for the first time, it's going to show you a couple of screens, getting you acquainted with the app. Then you're brought to allow SwitchBot to access your location. You're gonna have to allow in order to actually utilize the SwitchBot. So what I'm gonna do is say, while using the app only, and then it can show you bots that are nearby. Now notice I did not actually set up a SwitchBot account, so I'm gonna see if it'll let me actually attach this SwitchBot to this without actually having to create an account first. So we're gonna come up to the plus sign, and it's gonna make us do an account. Okay, now that we have successfully created our account very quickly off camera, we can come up to the plus sign, and then it's going to show us what do we want to add. Down here, we can see there is the SwitchBot bot, so we're gonna select that. So it says to tap the bot to turn it on and off, but we still have this pull tab for the battery, so we're gonna yank this out first and select next. There we go, had to cycle back after pulling the tab out. So that is what we want. We tapped on this icon to see, and you see it moving there, and we can just select next. We're gonna leave it at bot DA as the name, but we can also have location information, which I will leave at default room. I can change that later, I'm sure. And then, okay. So that was actually a relatively quick and easy setup process for the SwitchBot. Nice and simple.